In this quick guitar lesson, I'm going to show you how to play this really cool C minor guitar lick. So I'm basing this lick out of C minor. And what's interesting about this lick is that instead of doing 16th notes like 1 E and a 2 E and a, it's using groups of 5, which sounds really cool. Eric Johnson uses this a lot in his really fast runs. Joe Bonamassa, who borrowed this probably from Eric Johnson. And a lot of people will say this is a kind of a way to kind of sound like Eric Johnson. And I think it's kind of fun. It's because it's all groups of 5 for the first 3 beats. So you're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I would start out slow. You have a bunch of pull-offs. Wherever 2 notes are connected by a P, that means you're plucking the higher note and then pulling away so that you hear the lower note. That's called a pull-off. That's what makes this fairly easy to play, although for me personally, for me to play this fast, it kind of trips my fingers up. All right, so if I play through it slowly, it's going to go. What I think is the trickiest part of this lick, other than trying to play 5 notes evenly per beat, is at the very end when you go from the 5th string 10th fret back to the 4th string 10th fret. I do pick everything down. That's why I consider this a beginner or intermediate lick, because you're not doing any alternate picking. I'm picking everything down. So I'll play it again and notice how my picking. I think because you don't have to do any alternate picking, I think this makes it really fun. And this is a movable lick. I'm doing it out of C here because my first finger is, it's going to be on C, but if I want to do it in D, I just move up here and go. So you can easily move this lick into any key, which is a lot of fun. And that's how you play this C minor beginner's rock lick. If you enjoyed learning this guitar lick, consider subscribing to the channel. And if you want to learn more, go ahead and check out this playlist right here.